Garbage disposals need to be installed so they drain properly into the trap under your sink, or else you're going to have leaks and clogs messing up your day. So, here's the deal. When you're setting up a garbage disposal, make sure it's hooked into the trap, that U-shaped pipe under the sink, because that's what keeps sewer gases out and water flowing smooth. Don't forget to check that all the pipes are tight and sealed. Loose fittings are a quick way to get leaks. It's smart to follow the manual that comes with your disposal, because every model can have its own little quirks. Also, remember to test it out by filling both sinks with water, then pulling the stoppers at the same time to see if water drains cleanly and fast without any leaks. If you spot an uncapped pipe or a drain line that goes too high near the sink's flood rim, fix that right away. Those things cause backups and water damage. If you're not feeling totally sure, calling a pro or checking sites with contractor reviews can save you headaches. And always avoid dumping fibrous stuff like celery or coffee grounds down the disposal. It jams things up fast. One of the biggest mistakes people make during garbage disposal installation is not connecting it properly to the trap, which causes nasty leaks and sewer smells. Fixing this means tightening all connections and making sure the disposal outlet fits snugly into the trap inlet. Another common issue is leaving pipes uncapped or installing the dishwasher drain line incorrectly, like too high near the sink rim, leading to clogs or backflow. You can fix this by capping unused pipes and routing drains lower than the flood rim. Third, skipping the water test after installation can let slow drainage problems slide unnoticed. Always fill your sinks with water and pull both stoppers at once to confirm everything flows smoothly and no leaks show up. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors without all the stress of searching around. Plus, it helps contractors connect with folks who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to get work done right.